By supporting the Flower Valley Conservation Trust, that's where we found goodness. Pick n Pay, always there for you.
Welcome back to your Feel Good Breakfast Show, Expresso here on SABC3. Before the break, I taught everyone how to make lemon preserve. The keyword, if you wanted to make the lemon preserves at home, is lemon. So you just need to SMS the keyword lemons, and the ingredients list will be sent to your phone. The entire recipe is available on our website, expressoshow.com. Now, I've invited Ewan into the kitchen. He loves his lamb chops, and I'm going to teach you how to make lemon preserved and lamb chop tagine. Good.
Can't get that
tagine.
Right. There we go.
There we go.
That's
so
very cool.
What you're doing
is
you are busy frying some onions. And what you need for this recipe is you need the lemon preserve, which we made just before the break. You need your lamb chops. You need some stock. We've also thrown in some olives, some garlic, as well as turmeric. I've got some ginger. I'm going to put some salt and pepper, also some paprika, coriander afterwards just for garnish.
Lovely.
And some really gorgeous olive oil.
Nice.
So what we've done is we've chopped our onions. We're browning them there at the moment. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to season our meat.
All right, so I'm just keeping going with the onions.
You're keeping going with the onions.
It's so cool. We like cooking with lemons the whole day. It's fantastic. I mean, this just shows you how versatile this type of food is.
Yes.
It's great stuff.
And the nice thing is it's grown all year round. And lemons are not just used for dish. You can use them for flu fighters, to work on a sore throat.
Exactly.
The 40% of the lemon juice from a lemon, or from a medium-sized lemon, has got your 40% of the daily recommended vitamin C that you need.
Now, here's an interesting fact. Have you ever bitten into a lemon? I'm sure you guys at home has, you know. And then what happens afterwards? Your lips kind of go like red.
Yes.
Now, in the olden days, women used lemon to redden their lips.
That is so interesting.
How's that?
That is so interesting.
Very, very cool.
We're also asking you on our Facebook page, Expresso Morning Show SABC3, what's your favourite lemony dish? And how creative do you get with lemons? Put the recipes on our Facebook page. We'd love to share them with everyone else.
Yeah.
Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some of the garlic in.
All right. Oh,
there
lovely.
We go.
Garlic.
I'm going to put some ginger in here as well.
Okay.
Some turmeric.
Lovely.
That gives it just a nice colour.
Some olives.
Some fresh olives.
Beautiful.
And the lemon preserve we made just before. You can actually throw...
Oh, that's your
That's my lemon preserve.
Oh, look at that, eh?
Well, it's not the one I made before the break because it does take 3 weeks. Yeah. But this is really gorgeous. It adds that delicious lemony flavour into your food. And that aroma is
just comes out here. It's lemony, it's the olives, it's the garlic. Wow.
And then I've also mixed some
chicken stock.
There we go.
All right.
Throw that in. Bring that nicely to a boil.
This is going to be beautiful.
Now, we call this preserved lemon and lamb tagine.
Yeah.
Because normally you do it in a tagine pot. You know those pots with the funny lids?
Okay,
but
there you go.
if you don't have one of those, don't worry. We're showing you how to do it now, normally and quick and easy at home. And then you take your lamb chops.
It's time for the lamb.
And basically, it's a bit of a similar to a stew.
Oh, beautiful.
And you leave it in there.
Uh-huh.
And the nice thing about that is the ginger, the olives, the lemon, all going to seep into our lamb chops. And
do I give it a stir?
Really gonna be, you can give it a big stir.
That's it, just to cover all the lamb bits and pieces. Oh.
And our keyword today, if you want this ingredients list sent to your phone, is tagine, T-A-G-I-N-E. SMS that to 33728. The ingredients list will be sent to your mobile phone. And of course, we've got the step-by-step instructions on our website, expressoshow.com.
Cool, so now you would leave it.
Put the lid on, leave it on a medium to low heat for an hour, hour and a half, depending on how thick your chops are. And what we did earlier is we actually made one earlier.
There we go. Finished.
And you can serve it with rice, you can serve it with vegetables.
Oh, definitely rice.
I'm going to ask you to dish up there.
Rice.
I'm going to dish up the rice. And this is the perfect dish. You know, if you're rushing around and you don't have time to be in the kitchen, you're doing work or anything at home, you can just put it onto the stove, make it, leave it. You only have to check in on it in a few seconds, every few seconds. And an hour later, you've got a gorgeous dinner.
Let's get some sauce going in there as well.
I'm going to do our garnish.
Look at you.
Listen, Ewan, how incredible does this look? And all with our lemon preserve. That's the great thing about having the lemon preserve. You keep it in your fridge, you use it at any time around the year.
That's amazing.
What's your favourite lemony dish?
Lemon meringue for dessert. Yes.
I make a gorgeous stuffed baby marrow with lemon, with a little bit of apricot. Really, really gorgeous.
That's a very interesting recipe. Liesl, thank you so much.
I'm going to give you the honors to try this.
Oh, yes, please.
Simple, quick, easy,
let me cut me a piece
gorgeous
here.
recipe to try at home.
Excuse my
Leanne,
fingers.
I'm sure you're absolutely dying to try this.
Beautiful.